Hey lovelies, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you were new here, my name is Jayria, and in today's video I am going to bleach my natural hair from black to gold. So it is summer and this is my summer hair routine. I normally bleach my hair for summer, give myself a break from the wigs and just freestyle my natural hair. So continue watching guys, and let's start the bleaching process. So now I'm going to prepare the mixture. I have my basic white. I have the volume 40. I have my little mixing bowl and my brush, the applicator, and I have my gloves. So I'm going to use one pack of my basic white. And then I'm going to mix it with 1.5 ounce of my volume 40 developer. So now I'm going for a creamy consistency, something like yogurt. So this is how we want it to look. So I'm gonna put my gloves on. So I'm gonna apply it to the ends of my hair first. So I'm going to cover it now with a plastic bag for like roughly 20 minutes. Alright guys, so after 20 minutes, this is where we are at after 20 minutes. So I'm going to use my Shimmer Light shampoo to tone it down. So I'm going to rinse it out and then I'll be back, BRB. I feel like a brand new girl. I'm already feeling like a brand new girl. Alright, oops. So I'm going to put another plastic bag on and I'm going to leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. Alright guys, so let's leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes and I'll be back. So now I'm going to give it a thorough wash and rinse using my Aussie Miracle Curls with coconut and jojoba oil. So this is the shampoo and the condition. Then I'm going to use some silicone mix as treatment as well. And I have some icy leave-in treatment that I'm going to use as well. And for the curls, I'm going to use my Cantu Shea Butter Moisturizing Curl Activator, guys. So yes, you cannot just bleach your hair and leave it like that. You have to treat it. So let's rinse this hair out and come back. So I shampoo my hair 3 times and condition it twice. So now I'm going to apply some silicone mix. Okay, so this is after I use my silicone mix. Now I'm going to use my icy hair and scalp treatment. and it's a leave-in treatment. So now I'm going to apply some of my contour butter for natural hair, and it's a moisturizing curl activator. So I'm going in with just a little. Alright, so I'm loving my hair. I'm loving it. I might leave it like this. I might add some color to it. Burgundy, blue, misty amber, or pink. Or pink, guys, or red. Comment and let me know what color I should use. Pink. What do y'all think about pink? Or purple? Alright guys, so this is it for my 4C natural hair bleaching process. Thank you all for watching. Please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed as yet, guys. Anything is appreciated. A like, comment, a share, or subscribe. And don't forget to comment and let me know what color I can try. Okay, thank you all for watching. Bye, peace out.